Place the new tap into the hole, making sure you put the right seal between the tap and the sink, and making sure that the hot and cold side are the right way round. Then secure the tap from underneath, remembering to put the washers and securing plate in first. Then connect the hot and cold pipes using adjustable wrenches. But if you're reusing the existing compression fittings, you can bend the copper pipes that are attached to the tap if necessary to enable you to line them up with the existing pipework. If you do this, take care not to kink the pipes. Don't over tighten compression joints because this can cause a leak. When making a compression joint, it's best to apply a small amount of jointing compound like Boss Green or similar over the surface of the olive before making the joint. If the pipes don't line up exactly, or you want to move a pipe slightly, you can connect the existing pipes to the tap connecting pipes using flexible braided extension hoses like these. A wide range of different flexible hoses are available in different lengths and with different fittings, including hoses that come complete with ball type isolation valves. If you use flexible hoses, make sure that the hose is not stretched or kinked when you've installed it. Once you have installed the tap, check that all the joints are tight and turn the water supplies back on. Start with the cold and only open the stopcock or isolation valve a little way to start with, and then check for leaks. If all is okay, open the valves right up and check for a leak again. If there is a leak, make a note of where it is and then turn the water off. If a compression joint is leaking, you might need to undo the joint and wrap some PTFE tape around the olive. Don't be tempted to over tighten the joint, because this will compress the olive too much and the leak will get worse. If the pipework is leaking, then you may need to replace it. It might be time to call in the plumber. However, the likelihood is that it will work perfectly. So then turn on your new tap. It'll probably gurgle a bit as you release the air bubbles. Turn each side of the tap on slowly to avoid getting splashed. Once you have run the tap, make a final check under the sink for any leaks. And that's your new tap fitted.
Looks good.
For more ideas and know-how, visit DIY.com.